What's up, y'all? Welcome back. We here with another video with the truck, and I'm putting on a bed cover. I've been wanting to do this for a while because I always keep a lot of tools and stuff in the back of the truck, and I'm only putting it on to hopefully keep the water out. And it's a little cheap one off of Amazon. The brand is a DNA, and it's a roll-up kind. I didn't know what would be better, the roll-up or the hard one, so I'm gonna try the roll-up one first and see how it looks. But let's go ahead and get with today's video. My girl help. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you. It came packaged pretty nice. Hell yeah. We got the roll-up cover. It came with the 2 support beams, and I'm guessing this is what we're going to use to clip it on. Let me go ahead and open some of this stuff up, and I'll show you what it looked like. I laid out both of the rails that the bed cover slides on. They are right and left, so make sure you pay attention when you put them on. I'm not going to tighten it up until I make sure everything lines up directly across on each side. But right now, lay them down first, and it comes with some weather stripping. And you want to put this weather stripping on the front piece of your bed. Along this side, you want to clean it real good with some alcohol and anything. And it goes on the inner portion. This is going to be the front seal, so make sure you put this on so the water stay out. First step is done. I clean this up real good, and we stake it down on the inner portion. Now it's time to line this up on both sides and tighten them up. So far, everything been super easy to install. They come with these little U-shaped brackets. You slide this thick piece in between the gap, and that flat piece hooks on the inside of the truck bed. And then you put the Allen key through that, and you just tighten them up and then squeeze it together. Now that I have both of these secured, I got the weather strip on the front. You don't want to go past your tailgate because the top of the bed cover seals with your tailgate, so you want to make it even at both sides. Now it's time to grab the tonneau cover and place it on the front and let it roll out and clip it in. So we kind of realize it's a lot more easier to leave this top 2 brackets off, so you can pick this up and slide this in, because it's kind of hard to slide it in when this is tight to the bed frame. So we picked it up, we slide it in, and then there's a little screw right there that you tighten up, and it pulls it, it pinches it on this and locks it in place. So we left all 3 mounting points loose until we lined up the front with the back and make sure it actually covers the back. Now me and her are gonna roll this back up, finish tightening up the hardware, and then we're gonna lock it back in place, and it should fit just fine. Finally got everything tightened back up. Now it's time to give it the last final drop down and make sure that the back covers up the rear of this so it seals it. That motherfucker look good.
We gotta show this off. I don't think it's loud enough. Oh my god.
It look good.
Baby. That's way nicer than the other one.
Yeah, I like this. Easier to put on, nice. Makes it look a lot more sleeker. Wifey approves. Yeah, she look good. Also, I wanted you not to forget, they come with 2 little dowel screws right there on each side. Make sure you put those in because it locks the front to the side rails. I want to show y'all the final review. Oh, I fucking love this shit, man. Makes the truck look so much cleaner, more sleeker. And it doesn't really stick out too high, maybe like 1 inch. But it just looks so good with the truck. Highly recommend. It was only $135 on Amazon. The DNA brand is the name of it. But yeah, so far, man, I like it. And I forgot to mention, when you look down to open it up, you look on the left-hand side, you see this little thing, you pull on it, and it unlocks it. And you just go right ahead and roll it up. Very simple to use, easy to use. I like this design. And you just lock it back in place. Makes it look way more sleeker than what it, you know, it makes it just look a little bit better. I like it. Hey, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope to help you guys out who's installing a bed cover or trying to put one on. But let me know what you want me to do next to the truck. I'm open to ideas because I'm trying to do as much things as I can do to it. But I appreciate y'all a lot. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great night, y'all.